Hey everybody, welcome back to Atomic Hillbilly Garage. So this video is going to be something a little different. I went and bought myself a welder by Bestarc, and this is actually the MIG145. This welder came to me recommended by my cousin over at Half Fast Garage. If you haven't checked out his channel, please do so. This thing was a bargain. It was on sale online, I think, for like 130 bucks, shipped to my door. It arrived today. The package arrived perfect. I mean, this thing looked like it was handled very well. FedEx did the shipping on it, so kudos to them for bringing it in safe and sound. And just gonna do an unpacking on this thing, really, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what it's about. I don't know nothing about it, but I'm fixing to learn with Half Fast Garage, so we'll do a video on that here in the near future. So stick around and check that out. Let's get into it. Again, the package arrived really nice. A little crush here, but I don't think that's going to hinder the contents whatsoever. And it came all the way from China originally, but California when I ordered it. So, but again, for the money, this thing, and I'll tell you a little bit what I know that I don't know nothing about other than what I've read and what my cousin kind of told me about it. Is this thing will actually do, it'll do MIG, it'll do TIG, it'll do stick, it will do gasless, it will do gas. And I think he said if you do a certain type of welding, you're gonna have to order another gun for it that will handle that specific type of welding. But yeah, look at the contents. It is packaged in there extremely nice. And this is a very small, very nice compact unit. And my cousin's push for this thing was one, the price, can't hardly beat it, and two is that I'm probably not going to do a ton of welding, and so for me to learn on this, you can't go wrong for the money. I was looking at a more expensive machine and he's like, dude, just order this machine and you're going to love it. And I don't suspect that he's wrong. So that's it, nothing in the box. Woohoo! Well, I'll say there's a little silica pack, but we don't care about that. Again, nice compact machine, and this thing will go off of 110 or 220. Let's get rid of that. So obviously 220. So somewhere we got to figure out the 110 side of life. But anyways, this is just going to be a short and sweet video. I'm not going to plug this thing in. I'm not going to try anything with it just yet, simply because I don't know nothing about it. So I don't want to blow myself up. And I have been intimidated by welding my whole life. I should have picked this up years ago and learned the art of welding. I know it's not like just, hey, take this out of the package and plug it in and start welding. There is an art to it, there's a science to it, and I gotta learn that. So what better way to do than with a nice compact machine like this right here. Bestarc, kudos to you, and look forward, guys. Real soon we're gonna do a video here in the next few days, actually, with my cousin. Again, Half Fast Garage. He's gonna show me a little bit about welding, and I'm gonna start diving in, see if I can't figure some of this thing out. And if you've not done so yet, my wife doesn't want to film me, apparently.
Well, because I'm realizing he hasn't opened this box, and that's probably where the plug is that he's looking for.
Oh, hey, there's another box over here. Let's not wrap the video up yet. See, this is why we keep wipes around. Okay, so we're back after a dead battery. So, anyways, this box contains several things. There's a hose. That's for your gas, I'm assuming, right there. There's a 110 to 220 adapter. So that's how you switch it over to 110. You plug that into the 220, and then you got a 110 right there. So that's cool. And we have the welding apparatus. And again, this is how little I know about this stuff. What do we got? Some Teflon tape, it looks like. I don't know. Again, I'm gonna have to read through the instructions on this thing. Bicycle wrench, but not for a bicycle. More silica. Instruction manual. I'm gonna need that 10 times. I don't know. A strap in case I want to carry that around the flea market with me. And we got 2 spools of wire here, I believe. So yeah, as far as I know, one of these is the type wire you need for gas, and one is the type wire you need for the gasless. So I do have to get myself a gas tank for these things. That's something else I don't have. I don't have a cart for it, so I got more money to spend, but that never stops anyways. But regardless, I think this thing is super cool. And again, for 130 bucks shipped to me, even when it's not on sale, I think it's like 170 shipped to your door, and it came with a 3-year warranty. So how can you go wrong? Watch for a video here real soon where we will be actually welding, but with my cousin's identical machine. See you real soon. Thanks for watching. If you've not done so, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification, do all that fun stuff to help my channel continue to grow. We'll see you real soon. Thanks again.